Welcome to Notary Public Underwriters All Things Notary channel. In this episode, we're going to answer the question, can a notary notarize a family member's signature? Because a notary's impartiality immediately comes into question, many states place restrictions on notarizing for a family member. Unless noted otherwise, family member means a spouse, immediate family member, and relatives. These restrictions might be in the notary's state statutes, state administrative rules, or in notarization aids provided by the state commissioning official. Though the details vary from state to state, most state restrictions on notarizing for family members fall into one of these three categories. Avoid close family members. The state official commissioning and/or regulating notaries recommends sometimes strongly that a notary not notarize for a close family member or relative. Close family member may not be defined, but it typically means immediate family members, spouses, children, parents, siblings. Okay with limitations. State statutes or administrative rules do specify requirements and/or limitations on notarizing for family members, but don't specify which ones. The notary must exercise judgment in assessing whether those requirements or limitations apply to the family member requesting a notarization. Specific family members only. The notary's state statutes or administrative rules list the only family members or relatives for whom a notary may notarize. If a particular family member who requests a notarial act isn't listed in the notary's statutes or administrative rules, the notary cannot perform the notarization. In any of these scenarios, the notary must assess the circumstances and decide if they will proceed with the notarization or help their relative find a non-related notary. If the notary decides to perform the notarization, the related journal entry should include a notation about any specific statute, rule, or state guideline the notary followed in choosing their course of action. One final thought. Some members of your extended family may be less well known to you. If you have the slightest doubt about a family member's legal name compared to the name of the principal signer on the document, ask to see that family member's ID. They may be surprised, but if you believe that you need to see that ID, insist on it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more notary content, and visit our website for online notary education courses, bonds, insurance, and supplies.